mine again.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Hey. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. One love to everyone. So guys, we're gonna react to 50/50 brand new performance, and this is called Gravity Show Champion. So to be honest, I didn't know that they have done a show on the Gravity song. In fact, I didn't even see this on their official page. It was on somebody else's page, and I'm surprised I've encountered it. So without further ado, let's have a wonderful time with these beautiful looking, sweet, honey females. Peace. This performance is dope. This performance is a banger. Hey, when you speak of perfection in dancing, when you speak of unity, they unite, they come together. That's perfect. That's what we called love. Oh my god! Yo, these women, they never cease to amaze me. Always doing some amazing job on their performances.
Wishing
My goodness! Ain't no way, yo! I love this so much. I love the performance so much. Hey, 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 hey. The dance is perfect. Hey, this is what we call a championship. The dance is out of this world, bro. Oh my goodness. Hey, their voices, man. Their voices are perfect. It's harmonizing. It's mesmerizing. It's so just like a sunset, like a sunrise. They've outdone themselves again. Hey, you guys, please just subscribe. Subscribe for more, man. Subscribe for more. Because just like this one, it's gonna be a pop-up one. Amazing, girls. Amazing. I'm impressed again. You guys have outdone yourselves. So if you guys enjoy this reaction, please do the honors. Like the video, share the video, tell a friend to a friend to a friend to a friend. Say this is a Jamaican reactor that do reaction to 50-50. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.